Hi there. This quick video tutorial is for Reputation Platform. The concept of the platform is to increase your 5-star reviews in all the public directories like Google, Yelp, and all the other directories, and get you to a point that you would have more 5-star reviews than all the other competitors in the area. So, how do we do that? This platform not only is going to increase your 5-star reviews, but also is going to protect your online reputation. If you make things easier to collect reviews, make things easy to collect reviews from your collect feedback from your customers, patients, depending on the kind of business that you're involved in, you're going to be able to collect a lot of reviews. So one of the ways that we collect the reviews is through this signing page. We give you access to this page. You can just open this page in a tablet, or you can open it, in your cell phone. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to send you the URL, and all you have to do is to put the name of your customer, their email address, and their phone number. Once you do that and hit sign in, the platform is going to send them an email and a text message. Or when your customers walk in to your location, all you have to do is to open this page on a tablet and just give it to them. This is going to be your new signing sheet, and ask them to fill this out. This is going to be the new signing sheet. It looks high tech, and instead of giving a piece of paper, so they put their name in there, so they put their name on it. You can just open this page on a tablet and hand over the tablet to them, and all they have to do is to put their name, email address, phone number, and sign in. Once they do that, about 2 hours after they sign in here, depending on how we set it up, we can set it 3 hours, 4 hours, an email and a text message is going to go to them. So uh, they're going to be receiving an email asking for their feedback, and they're going to get a text message asking for their feedback. 99% of people, when they get a text message, they check it right away. But we're going to send both email and a text message just to make sure they receive that. So once they get a text message, there's going to be a link to leave their feedback. Once they click on it, they're going to get redirected to a page like this. It's going to ask them if they check it with their cell phone. We're talking about text messages, so that means they're clicking on the link through their cell phone. They're going to get this page. It says, would you recommend us, yes or no? So this is a special page that has a filter in the back end. If they click on yes, they're going to get redirected to this page. On this page, this video, these are professional spokesmodels, that they're basically thanking them. And we can put a video of yourself, if you like to, whatever video you like. But we're using one of our, spokesmodels at the moment. So she's basically thanking them for that, for recommending the business. Is asking them if they could put that review, they could put their feedback in one of the directories below, which is Google or Yelp. We can add whatever directory that you like. A lot of people are concerned about these two directories, and Facebook actually. So once the visitor clicks on Google, they get redirected to your Google map page, and they can put the review there. If they click on Yelp, they're going to get redirected to Yelp's page. The platform is very smart, because if the person that is checking is receiving that link, that feedback link, if they have already downloaded Google's app or Yelp's app in their cell phone, and they are using an Android platform, Samsung Android, not iPhone, I'm talking about Android platforms, then the platform is going to detect that they have downloaded the app already in their cell phone, and it's going to open up the app right there in front of them. So that's how smart this platform is, that it's going to detect which app they have downloaded, like in their cell phone, and it's going to open up that app so they can easily put a review for you. If they haven't downloaded any app, then by clicking on these icons, they're going to get redirected to Google, Yelp, or any directory of your choice, and that listing is going to open up. They can put the review, 5-star review, and hit submit. In case on this page they click on no thanks, so basically they are not recommending you, which is more likely they have something to complain about, there's a negative feedback. So in that case, they are not gonna see that Google and Yelp icon anymore. They're gonna get redirected to this page, which our spokesmodel, is apologizing, is gonna be apologizing for that negative um experience that they had, and it's gonna ask them to fill out this form to let us know what happened. And once they click here, this is gonna go to your office manager. So your office manager would know right away what is it that they're complaining about, and you're gonna have a chance to contact them and resolve the issue. Once you have this, once you have this platform set up and active, if there is any complaint, they'll let you know right away before going public. This way you protect your online reputation. The largest corporations in the world, are using, are always asking for their customers' feedback. And you should do that too. And that's how they protect their online reputation, to avoid getting any negative reviews. So those that give you a 5-star rating, once again, those that recommend your business, they're going to get redirected to this page. So they put that 5-star review in one of these directories. If they click on no thanks, so they're not recommending, they're going to get redirected here. So they let you know what is it that they're complaining about. 99% it's always 5 stars. Based on our experience, we've been doing this for years. 99%, it's 5 stars. Just 1%, it could be a negative review. Okay. So again, this is with text messages. Now let's go back here. I'm sorry. Let's go back here. Yes. If they check things through the desktop, okay, if they check it with the desktop, basically, once they get the link, let me go here. Yeah, right here. So as I mentioned, they're going to be getting an email and a text message. Okay. When they get an email, the email is going to redirect them to this page. So they put their feedback here. So they put their first and last name, email address, and they choose the star rating here. They write a review, hit submit. The same thing is going to happen, like if they choose a 1 to 3 star rating, they are not going to get redirected to Google, Yelp. They're going to get redirected to this page again. Okay. But if they choose, let me just pull this down. If they choose a 5-star, 4 or 5-star rating, then they're going to get redirected to this page where they can submit that 5-star review. Okay. All right. So in one, they can submit the 5-star review in one of the directories. So this page also has a filter in the backend. So those that are checking through desktop, they will go to this page. Those that want to give you a feedback through desktop, they're going to go to this page. Those that want to give you a review through their cell phone, they're going to see this page. Both pages, no matter which one they pick, both pages have a filter in the backend. Okay, we wanted the visitors to see this page with their cell phone when they click on a feedback link on their cell phone, because it's easier for them with cell phone. Through mobile devices, it's easier to just click here and get redirected to this and submit their review. But if they are using a desktop, we want to get a copy of the review at the same time, and that's why we forward them to this page here. And all they have to do is to put in their first and last name, email address, they put the review. If they choose a 3 star, 1 to 3 stars, they're not gonna see Yelp or Google or any other directories. But if they choose a 4 to 5 star rating, they're gonna see them. Okay, so we're going to be sending you the link to this page. All you have to do is to hand over the tablet to your customers, or you can just some of our clients, they just put the customer's name and email address, phone number, and sign in. Once you do that, an email and a text message automatically is going to go to them. All right, and once you keep collecting reviews, our software is going to grab the 5 star reviews from all over the internet, and it's going to create a page like this website here. It says reviews and public directory reviews, and this review page is going to show all your 5 star reviews on the website, and this is the kind of page people trust. You see, it shows because it shows reviews coming from, it shows the icon of each directory, like it's coming from Yelp or Google or wherever it's coming from. It shows the nickname of the reviewer, the actual review. These are the kind of reviews people trust, because it comes from public directories. Okay, and people trust reviews that come from public directories, not those text reviews that some of the business owners they put on their website, because they don't even know if that review was placed, like by the business owner, or it's an actual review coming from the public directory. Okay, so and then these 5 star reviews are going to get marketed in your social media platform. They're going to go to Google, Yelp, Facebook, and all the other social media platforms. Then these 5 star reviews, they get converted to a video format. We're going to be converting them to a video format and rank them on top of YouTube and Google videos. Just to show you an example, so here is an example of what those videos look like. So the videos are right here, and those videos are going to go on your website too. Okay, so when I click here, this is for another business. Let's click here. Or sorry, I have too many pages. I opened a lot of pages on my browser. It's running a little slow. So these videos basically are coming from YouTube. Okay, so they get integrated to YouTube, and when you click on it, let me just open the other one. Okay, so as you see, we're bringing that review to the screen, and with professional spokesmodels, and then all your business information is going to show up there. In the background, let's go back here. In the background is going to be a background of your business, or any picture you like, we can put in there. So this way, we increase your 5 star reviews in public directories, and then we market them, because just collecting the reviews are not enough. You're going to have to market them on your website, in social media, so everyone sees them. And this is a very powerful way of marketing businesses. And basically you're marketing your reputation. You're building a 5-star reputation and you're marketing it, because 92% of people contact businesses based on the online reviews these days, and that's a research that was done at Harvard University's Business Center. And we want to make sure that you have more 5-star reviews than all the other clients, I'm sorry, all the other competitors in the area. And that's how you beat them. That's the missing puzzle of a lot of the businesses marketing. Okay? And through our platform, you're going to be able to accomplish that. All right. Thank you very much.